My wife plowing her first field. This is looking a lot better. This dirt looks very happy once we got it plowed up.
Yeah. Ding.
Hard to believe that's the same spot where we had potatoes last year. That's just crazy. So it is 6:30 and we're getting ready for a beautiful sunset. We did not get everything accomplished that we hoped. We did unload a truckload of mulch, get this bed plowed, and we have a couple of furrowed hills. Spacing is arbitrary, straightness is arbitrary. Yes, it's full of personality. We will continue when the next day is availed. There she goes with most of the equipment. See the orange bucket on the front. Let's get the Ryobi tiller and a little hiller thing that we were trying out. We were trying it out here. We tilled this up, plowed and harrowed this properly, and then we were trying this little hiller thing. It's intended to go behind a rotary tiller, so as you're chopping the soil up, you kind of push it to each side, and it kind of works. So you can kind of see the hills, and that is not the result. It's those by hand to, where's my finger, to here, and then the very end of this road. This is what the hiller did, and I don't think I've got it set up quite right. So this right here is where the tool was, and this is where the dirt was supposed to hill up. This is where the dirt was supposed to hill up. This is the tool row, the tool row, the tool row, the tool row, on like that. It was the first time that we attempted to use this. I think I just picked it up Thursday evening. Today's Saturday. I put it together. I did other stuff yesterday. And then those are potatoes. That was 15 pounds of potatoes in 4 rows, plus 2 plants at the end. Then we're gonna do shallots and carrots, and who knows what else. Maybe Jerusalem artichokes. That would be a good place to put these. I haven't ordered those yet. Let's see what we do tomorrow. For historical record, we have potatoes, 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 potatoes. 4 rows of potatoes. And come down here. In this 5th row, we have shallots. These are Nero shallots. Yes. That is a quart. We still haven't measured this row. It's bigger than last year. And then we have, way down at the end, 2 potato plants. That's all we have planted so far. This is record, so we don't forget what we planted, where and when. This date, see timestamp of video. So lots of carrots. We did potatoes, then we did carrots, various types, and on this last row we did a seed tape of carrots, which have moderate success with in speculation on the web as to their viability. And then on the end down there we had some okra seed, so we put okra in. And it's like, well, we didn't plant any kale, we didn't plant any turnips, we didn't plant any rutabagas, we didn't plant da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. So what should we do? I said, well, you know, we got this space over here. From here, that's a little crooked, just bear with me. So this is where we ended up. And this tree has to go, that tree has to go, and that tree has to go. Which means that once we cut those down, we can plow this whole area up. We can do that over the next couple of weeks. And right over here past this tree that we're going to cut down, that's where the Christmas trees are. I don't know if you can see me. Anyway, that's where the Christmas trees are. So we can plant stuff all the way up here. And if that's not enough space, let's see, can you see that tree over there? No, that tree. That's the tree I was talking about. So just on the other side of that tree, that's where the Christmas trees are. And we've got another batch of Christmas trees to go in this year, and it's a different variety. So if that's not enough space, then we're going to come over here and go this way. Let's see, you can see this right there and over here. So here's the first row of potatoes, and we can go this way a long ways. Way over here. This tree's got to go, and this tree's got to go. So we can go all the way out here, plus we can go back here. This is where stuff ended, and these are about 37 feet long. So if we say this is 40, we can come back another 6, 9, 12, 15, another 20-ish feet back here to that tree, and then over, and then that much space over toward the Christmas trees as well. And that much work should not be a lot of work with a much larger tractor. There, we can go back to that, and then right there, that's the other tree at the corner, so we can go all the way back to there, which is roughly where that tree is, which is another 20 feet or so. Why? Because we can. This is why we bought all this dirt, so we can play in the dirt, plant stuff. We're very excited about the carrots. They were really good. The potatoes were really good too. I think last year we planted 15 pounds. We just do 15 pounds this year, plus a handful of others. Okay. So theoretically the same amount as what we had last year. We are approaching this differently. We're more of a mound versus planting in the dirt this year versus last. Hopefully to keep the soil from compacting as much with rain, etc. Also, I'm hoping that the little valleys in between each of the hills will hold on to some water versus just helping it wash away. I hope that'll hold on to some water, and we'll come back with more mulch. We've got half a truckload of mulch here, and we've probably got 10 more truckloads of mulch at the house. Getting ready for the sunset. Ooh, is that a mosquito? That looks like a mosquito. No more. So we're just randomly walking. We're walking back to the creek and thought we would slow down and check out what we have planted, and our shallots have come up. Let me put this into perspective. There's my wife. That's how far back we planted them. So we planted, what did we say this was, 40 feet long?
Yeah.
And these are shallots versus onions. I figured shallots are a little bit smaller, a little bit less effort on their part to grow. It looks like every one of them came up all the way back to here. I think that's maybe where I stopped. An impressive little stripe of green. And these little guys are carrots, which we planted a lot of. So everything from the row with the shallots, that's carrot, 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 carrot. We're really hoping the carrots take off because the ones that we had from last year were really, really nice. We still have some to harvest. More later. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.